Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet social media channels. This will be going up on YouTube shortly. We got a 2021 LT Trail Boss that we just got in. So it's not gone through detail yet. I don't think it's going to be very dirty though. We will be getting it on the inside. I just want to talk about this vehicle for a minute here. It is a one owner. It was a lease turn-in that we bought at an auction from the lease turn-ins. And this one has the, pardon me, we'll get to this part in a second. It has the Dark Essentials package. So you're gonna have the black bow ties. While we're up front here, you guys know I love how the Z71 pops on these grills with the red and black outlining. You guys know that I like the red tail hooks. Normally it's not my jam, but it goes really well with the LT Trail Boss. We got the 20-inch black aluminum wheels. We're gonna be doing a little touch up there on that one there. This one already has the assist steps on it. I'm gonna have to open up the back here in a second because we got the spray-in bed liner. It's got the convenience package too, so you're gonna have the power rear window there. It's a nice little feature. There we go. You got a Chevy Tech spray-in bed liner beneath this here. Also with the cargo, you have the cargo bed outlets. You're gonna have the 12 tie-down points. This one has a Revolver X4 tonneau cover. I think that's technically a tonneau cover. Of course, you got the trailering package. You're gonna have the Z71 off-road package on this, so it's gonna have the 2-inch lift among many other things. And let's talk. And of course, you got the 5.3 liter engine. Dear Lord, this thing just literally got here. Our drivers. Okay, you got the Z71 all-weather floor liners there. Those are obviously not going to be laid out this way. Like I said, this just arrived. You got your cup holders in the back. You got your USB ports for charging in the back here. Let's take a step on the inside. Oh, I'm getting too old for this, guys. You also have the Bose premium sound system. Apparently a circus midget was the one driving this because I am practically on the vehicle. Little Luke Combs going there. Turn that down. And they coasted in here. 41 miles left on it. We got 43,326 miles on this. Sale price is $46,200. You got the 8-inch touchscreen radio. You're going to have streaming capabilities, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You don't need navigation. You have Waze, Google Maps. You guys know I like Waze because I'm a fan of knowing where the cops are. You're going to have the heated front seats. Always dangerous looking in there, seeing if they didn't leave anything. Plenty of storage there. Power front seat. We already talked about the Bose premium sound system. And you're going to have the HD surround vision, which we'll show here in a second. It didn't pop on that time. We'll have to get that, I'll have to work that out a little better next time when I do this. I'm going to have a link below with more information. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.